Happy New Year, guys, and welcome to 2021. I'm going to start off the year with a bunch of lessons geared specifically towards the beginner. And along with that, I'm doing a 30-day challenge that will help you as a beginner become a better guitar player and give you everything that you need to know to advance without anybody's help, without doing private lessons or anything like that. I'll give you everything that you need to know to read chord charts, to simplify chords if they're a problem for you, and you can join this community in the description below, so just check that out. Also, I still have a deal going on for my online course, and if you purchase a full year membership, which is $100, you will get private lessons with me for free once a month included in that subscription. So today I wanted to start out talking about what should we practice to begin with. If you got a guitar, you probably got some sort of instructional book or something like an instructional DVD, and most of the time those DVDs or instructional books come with songs that you are not interested in. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what songs you should be learning as a beginner. I wanted to give you permission to choose the songs that inspire you. And we're going to work this month on learning those songs that you use. We're going to work this month on learning those songs that you choose. So when you choose your songs, I want you to comment below the songs that you choose, and I'm going to release some videos based on the songs that I get in the comments or in the emails and in the guitar challenge I'm running right now. So the first thing I want you to do is choose 5 songs that inspire you, and don't choose the songs based on what you think is the easiest. I want you to choose the songs that you're like, man, when I hear those songs, that's the song I want to play on guitar. That's what this artist is, the artist that I heard the first time and I wanted to pick up a guitar and learn it. So I want you to pick 5 songs that inspire you. And it doesn't matter if you think that they're really hard, just pick 5 songs. Link them up in the comments below. Sign up for that 30-day guitar challenge. And throughout these 30 days, we're going to pick apart those 5 songs and we're going to learn them together. And I'm going to show you ways to learn the riffs if they have riffs, the lead parts if they have lead parts. And I'm going to not only teach you that, but I'm also going to teach you ways that you can take what you learn for those 5 particular songs and use it to learn several other songs. So stick with me this month and let's learn a bunch of songs together. But today, your homework, sign up for that 30-day guitar challenge, get in the Facebook group, and I'll see you tomorrow with another beginning lesson.